All right, guys, welcome back to Heartland Strike Company. Today, we're going to be bringing this old boat and trailer back to life. It's pretty rough right now. I mean, dents, rust, whatever you think, it's got it. So we're going to sand it down, give them a fresh coat of paint. Let's see if we can turn this thing around and turn it into something that's nice. All right, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so here we are. Don't mind my little ghetto stands that I did. We ain't rich out here, so, you know, balling on a budget, but this is the boat. We're gonna get into sanding it and getting it primed and everything and ready for the water. So sanding on this one a lot easier than the trailer, and this is what the trailer looks like about a week after it's been painted and sat down and everything. Still got to redo the boards and stuff, but yeah, the paint on it, it's really nice. Came out really good. Hopefully the boat will be easier. The trailer had a lot of rust and jagged pieces, tore through a lot of sandpaper. Hopefully we'll get through this one pretty quick, so stay tuned. All right, guys, gonna give you a little bit of update on the boat. So we've got most of it sanded. You can see like the back part, I gotta get that off right here and get the little corner pieces and stuff, things that are around the bolts and everything. We'll do that a little bit later, but for the most part, got that back one right there. Got most of it done though, man. I mean, got a little bit of the rest of it. I got to get those numbers off right there. It took me forever on the other side to get that done, but you look now, it's all sanded. Got the top to do, but the top's way easier than the bottom. A lot of more crevices and different ways you got to hold it there. But let's look at the trailer. I mean, besides the dent work there, it's pretty good. I mean, got it nice and cleaned up. I mean, got to replace this. We'll be doing another video on that later in this. So, but yeah, I mean, she's looking pretty good.